Ayun guys, so isa-shoutout lang namin ang aming mga very supportive na YouTube subscribers
Facebook followers,
and
top
commenters and mga sharer at mga likers. Ayan.
Ayan, shout out po tayo kay Tito Anton Nardo, kay Sergeant Tor, shout out, kay Engineer Antonio, shout out po, kay IT Alpi, shout out, Vlogger Glenn, Philippine Levisario, at saka sa ating nutritionist, Faye. Ayan, shout out po sa inyo.
Ayan, then shout out din po sa aming top commenters and followers kay Soraida Abdullah Angot ng Quezon City. Shout out to Milit Briones ng Lisburg, Virginia. Then Susan Montijo ng Netherlands, Swing Wena ng Dubai, shout out. Kay Litsky Bazar ng Davao City, shout out. Sham